January temperatures not too far off as we continue on through this weekend. Certainly feels like spring now. We will go into tomorrow as another impact day. Some periods of rain around, especially mid-morning through the afternoon. Still around 50 for a high, but then January shows back up by Sunday, not only with some cold, windy conditions, but also some flurries and light snow. For the most part, just some drizzle, a little bit of patchy light rain out there, primarily working off to the east of Pittsburgh. We'll await the cold front that'll get here over the next couple of hours, and that will stir up. Now the line is some gusty showers as winds have already been kicking up over 25, even pushing 30 miles per hour here this afternoon. On this impact day, temperatures will reach the lower 60s. 50 tomorrow as more rain settles in. Then here comes winter once again. 35 on Sunday, also in the mid 30s, but we're dry in time for our Steelers Monday with more of a chill coming in next week. These temperatures certainly do not say early January. As warm as 63 right now in Greensburg, 60 on the dot as we check into Pittsburgh, mid to upper 50s. We stretch from Newcastle into Cranberry, 55 in Indiana. You currently have, though, some light rain. So as we work through this afternoon, you can see that line setting up after about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Along the way, we'll see a burst of light rain, also some of those gustier winds as that front kind of guides in some of those gusty conditions across the region. That should be through by about 7, 8 o'clock this evening. We'll keep it quiet, but just a little chilly as we go through the overnight. We'll wake up Saturday with temperatures in the 30s. Here comes that next wave of rain building in from the south after 9 o'clock. There could be some pockets of heavier rain mixed in. Looks like a little bit of a lull around midday, and then one more burst of rain arrives into the evening hours. Once that clears out, we open the door to that January feel. We're going to watch some gustier winds again on Sunday that could kick off not only some flurries, but even some passing light snow showers. That could be for everybody across western Pennsylvania, so we're watching that. As you fast forward into your Steelers Monday during the day, whether you're heading to the pep rally or you're setting up your tailgate, just going to be chilly. We're going to stay dry. Kickoff temperature against the Texans about 32 at 8:15. Still going to keep it on the chilly side next week as temperatures will bounce around the 30s and 40s in your 4-day plus 4 more forecast.